Year 2020 has presented us with many obstacles and challenges ranging all the way from the coronavirus to social justice. As sports have gone, they've also come back, and the NBA has done a great job as a leading organization in bringing sports back safely. They've created the NBA bubble, and the NBA bubble in essence has brought us fantastic basketball, has shown us that safety precautions work and are necessary in our society, and they've done a great job at using their platform to promote social justice. The NBA bubble has been set up to bring back the teams that are in playoff contention. 22 teams came to campus in the NBA bubble. Per Insider.com, the NBA, in essence, is quarantining itself from the rest of society. They'll play games at the ESPN Wide World of Sports complex, located at Walt Disney Resort in Florida, with teams staying in 3 different Disney hotels. So the 22 teams that came back to campus will play have played 8 seeding games total that started on August 6th. And the first round of the playoffs started on August 17th. So in those 11 days, all 22 teams played 8 games against various teams. On August 17th, 16 teams stayed because they locked in their bid for the playoffs, and 6 teams went home. So the NBA Finals, fast forward to today, the NBA Finals have just ended and the Los Angeles Lakers have ended up winning, but games were played every other day in each round of the playoffs to provide us with constant entertainment and constant basketball to get the season moving and allow players to get back to their families. The safety protocol that has been set up within the bubble, according to Brian Windhorst from ESPN, the NBA bubble will cost the league $150 million to operate, along with all the lost revenue from tickets. The NBA has employed a testing system in which they will test all players multiple times a week to prevent any positive tests, and if they do find a positive test in a player, they will send that player to their own quarantine housing within the NBA bubble to prevent the spread to other players and to jeopardize the successfulness of the league. They've created a bubble which has disallowed players from exiting the bubble and has disallowed anyone on the outside to enter into the bubble. The NBA bubble has done a great job as that there have been no positive cases on campus throughout the entirety of the bubble. Finally, the NBA bubble has done a great job of promoting social justice using its fantastic platform. The players have worked closely with NBA governors, executives, and league owners to promote social justice in a way that everyone may see. On the back of their jerseys, all players were permitted to put a social justice message on the back. Many players put equality, some put social reform, some put respect us, something that pushes across a message so that it seems as a successful narrative for social justice. All Black Lives Matter was painted on all the courts so that people could see what was going on in society. And coaches wore little pins with messages on them: racial justice, social justice, education reform, a plethora of things. As the NBA bubble has started and ended, it has showed us a light in society in a way that we can provide entertainment in a new dark age of our world that can soon be lit up by entertainment such as the NBA and basketball.